Hi everyone, this is Vivian. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over the 5th page of this worksheet that I developed. These worksheets are targeting to help you develop better hand-eye coordination, and they are kind of similar to a basic stroke practice sheet, except that we're not using a brush pen and we're not worrying about the thick and the thin strokes. We're just really trying to refine the letter form and the shape that we're creating. So you can use a pencil, mechanical pencil, a ballpoint pen will work fine as well. I'm going to use a color pencil so it will show better on the camera. And this is the last page of this worksheet package. So previously we have already practiced the upstroke, downstroke, the underturn, overturn, and the ascender and descender. So today we're going to do the compound curve and the oval. And if you haven't downloaded this worksheet, make sure you pause this video and download it and then come back with me. And if you're ready to go, let's dive in. Today we're going to do the curve and the oval. This is going to be quite tricky because it's a very odd shape that we're drawing, but it will help you a lot to know how well is your hand-eye coordination. So this is really just a combination of the overturn and then underturn starting from the bottom left corner. And what we're trying to achieve here is to have these three lines in the middle to be parallel. And then with a smooth transition. So I know I sound like a broken record, but parallelness is very important in calligraphy. Start with the bottom left and then go upstroke, downstroke, down, making a curve, and then go back. And because it's a smaller shape, so now we have a lot more space that we can practice. So I have 5 rows for you to trace over, and then on the 6th one, you will trace over one, and then do one your own. It's a little scary. So couple of things to watch out is try not to make your shape look like this, because remember we want to have the 3 line look parallel. So we want the 3 line to, if you extend them, they should be parallel. But in this case, if you extend them, they do not look parallel. And also try to have equal spacing between these 3 lines. So this spacing should be the same. Sometimes it's easier if you're more comfortable with one shape and then the other, you miss, then the size is different. This is too big and then this is too small. So this is going to be very fun. And once you do the top half, relax your finger, stretch a little bit, and then we can move on to the oval shape. Oval is just another way of saying it's a O, and try not to start on the top of the corner. We want to have a smooth transition. So if you start your writing on the top, then it's harder to make it a smooth oval shape. So let's start on the side and then make an oval shape. So if you start from the top, then it's not impossible, but once we start using calligraphy pen, you would likely to produce some kind of pointy top. But then if you start on the sides, it's easier to connect when it's not on the most crucial curve of this oval shape. So similarly, we want to have a smooth transition all around because this is the oval shape. So there's no straight line at any point. It's just an oval, this curve in every parts of this shape. So go through all the worksheet, and then when you get to the 6th row, you will trace one, and then you would create one, make one your own. So you would trace over one and then draw one freehand. So I have this guideline, then you can see how you can really study which do you curve too much, too little. So if you fill out this, this corner, then you can really tell who is turning too fast, who's turning too slow. So we want to have a smooth corner on all 4 sides. So take your time to practice this. It's not easy, so don't get discouraged if they all look like worms and various size of eggs. I promise this is really good practice for your hand-eye coordination, and it's a very good time to relax and calm your mind, just focusing on your hand and eye. That's it. Don't think about anything else. It only will take you 10-15 minutes to go through the sheet. So this is the last video in the Back to the Basics series. I hope they have been helpful, and I would love to see your progress. You can email me at vivian@purplemartinlettering.com, or you can tag me on Instagram at purplemartinlettering. I'll see you around. Happy lettering! Bye!